In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to an email in Gmail, providing you with the full 2025 guide. We all know email is a crucial form of communication, whether it's for personal conversations, professional matters, or just about anything else. As we move through the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's vital to know how to effectively manage and respond to our emails. So, let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to go to your Gmail inbox. To do this, simply open your web browser and type in mail.google.com. This will take you straight to your inbox, where you can see all your emails. If you aren't already logged in, enter your Gmail credentials to access your inbox. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your emails, ranging from new messages to old ones. Next, the key step is to click on the email you wish to reply to. Take a moment to scroll through your list of emails and find the one that requires your response. Click on that email and it will open up, displaying the conversation thread if it's an ongoing exchange. Once you've opened the email, you'll find the reply button. This is usually located at the bottom of the email body, indicated by a curved arrow. Clicking this button will open up a reply window directly below the original email. It allows you to respond to the sender without having to start a new email thread. This feature keeps conversations organized and easier to track. Now, it's time to compose your message. Feel free to express yourself, keeping your response clear and concise. Remember to address any points made in the original email and provide any information requested or necessary. Also, don't forget about the additional features that Gmail offers as you craft your response. If there are any documents or images that you need to send along with your message, you can easily attach files using the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip. You can also format your text using the toolbar options, changing fonts, adding bold or italic text, and more to highlight important information. Moreover, if it's necessary to loop other people into the conversation, you can add them as recipients by including their email addresses. Finally, after reviewing your message to ensure everything is correct, click the Send button. You'll find this button at the bottom of the reply window. Once you've clicked Send, Gmail will deliver your response to the recipient, making it instantly available in their inbox. And that's it. You've successfully replied to an email in Gmail. By mastering these steps, you can ensure smooth communication and efficient email management. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.